I want to circle back to a conversation, though, somebody had mentioned about AI and how AI works can help you today. There's all this talk that AI is going to take over the world, take over jobs. It's going to cut back the job force. But the best jobs are going to be the ones out there, I think, that know how to use AI and manipulate AI for people. Kevin.
I don't know if I'm probably on the extreme side of this, but I literally have a chat GPT window up on one of my 4 monitors over here. I run a management company. We have active construction projects going on right now. I raise capital for deals. So it's essentially 3 businesses in one, which is definitely not recommended. For anybody looking to get started in the space, like, you got to stay focused on one thing and be a master at it instead of a jack of all trades. My day-to-day is pretty variable. Like, we just hired a new coordinator, so I had to set up a whole schedule for them on a training side. I needed to write up legal documents, so I asked GPT to help audit some documents that we were working through. I had some sales call follow-ups, so I took some of the notes that I wrote down and I took those notes, put them into GPT to help formulate a couple email follow-ups. So anything that's copy related, it's not going to be perfect. There's going to be chat GPT-isms like all throughout how it writes. They call it prompt engineering, where you have to massage the message to get it to be more personal. And then you have to put in your actual real human touch to speak as though you're speaking. So at the end of the day, it's a powerful tool. The irony of, if you have so much GPT going on and then you have VAs commenting, it's like you've lost the essence of the connectivity, which real estate is a people business. At the end of the day, they're going to do business with the person that they like. And if it starts to feel too bluff or too simulated, then you're going to lose that essence. You're going to lose credibility over time. So be very careful with how you utilize this tool.